guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this typing animation on CapCut PC. Add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word typing, and I'm also going to change the font. Then just simply go to animation and then select the in animation, and then you're just going to find the type animation. So there's a few. There's this one, which is the typewriter. There's the retro typer, which is but it is a pro feature. Oh my god. There's type 3 as well, which looks like that. There's type 2. I don't know where they put it though, but your best bet is just to go with type 1. I do like this, but again, it requires CapCut Pro. There's also this, which is another good alternative. But yeah, those are the typing sort of animation that you can apply to your text on CapCut PC. Here you can adjust the duration of the typing animation. If you want it to be faster, slide it to the left. If you want it to be a little bit slower, slide it to the right. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.